Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you to each and every single one of you. Thank you for liking this video, sharing the video, and thank you for being a part of the CoinsKid community. Okay, I'm going to do a live stream today with the Patreons and the Discord server at about 5 p.m. So I'm going to do a lot of coins in there, and then obviously I'm going to upload it to the YouTube later on this evening for your viewing. So yeah, thank you for your support. So right now, XRP hit this level of resistance, rolling back to a key level of support. You know, you're holding the 20 on the daily, which is good. If we take a look at the weekly, yeah, you're holding the daily there as well. The weekly 20, like a boss. Like I said to you, look at that level of support just there. Look at that in that apex just there. Start to hold it and start to break this level of resistance. You know, you come up 1 week and the next week you exploded. So look at that. You know, you could next week be explosive here for XRP, because we are breaking out basically. We have got key levels of resistance above. Obviously, we've got this local high, which is going to be tough to get through. But could we mirror this? Could we mirror this? You know, as a forex mirror, let's take a look. We're breaking out just there, and we put a bar pattern on there, and we wick up to there. Let's have a look, see where that could actually take us to. So we're kind of breaking out this week, you know, and then we start to break out next week. A massive big surge. Who knows? Watch this space. You could be all the way up there, couldn't you? And I have got a trend-based fib time that I did yesterday that puts a projection just up here at the latest, I think it was, wasn't it? You know, this thought experiment just there for XRP around about the 31st of December, around about $4.50 there for XRP in this bull market, you know. So it's doing everything it needs to. You've held a key level support. I did see a tweet yesterday, someone put, it's lost the key level support, it's going to go down to $1. You know, for me, I was scratching my head at that tweet because I didn't see that. It came down and it held this trend line equally, wick down to the 20, holding it as support. So that's amazing. That's what you want to see. You know, like I said to you, if you do start to see it roll over here, your key level support is all the way down here right now. And you can see even if it does do that, that's still a higher low. So right now, if you was to roll and come down, you're looking at around about $1, aren't you? Okay. But the minute you're holding support, you're looking really, really good. I think on the 4-hourly time frame, if we take a look at that, I mean, look at that for closing and opening on that trend line. Look at that. That's amazing. You know, that's absolutely amazing. So you've not fell back into this horizontal. You've held it and you're above it as support. I mean, if we take a look, say for example on the 15-minute right here, okay, let's have a look at the 15-minute. So you've got a beautiful W bottom pattern, ascending triangle that played out on this low just there. Okay, look. So the more you zoom in, the more you see loads and loads of patterns. Look, you've got that ascending triangle. Come back up, broke it, gone long basically, and then you've got a technical target from that wick low as well, from there to there. You've got reversal pattern. You can see, boom, you've come up and met the target. Look where you ran into a level of resistance just there, and you roll back to key level support continuation. So that, you know, if you zoom in on a 15-minute, you do see loads of little trades. That was a lovely little long up of around about 3.5% to its technical target, close it, job done. You know, it's all tradable little patterns within patterns within patterns, loads of them. So right now, essentially, what you're doing, you're slowly coming back upstairs. You've got a bull cross on the 15-minute, you're holding it as support, a little bit are extended here, you're rolling back to a key level support. Are you putting an impulsive wave break? Let's have a look on this on the 15 minutes from there to there. So now your technical target is retest this white trend line because you're breaking out of this high. Do you see that? So you've come down, you retraced. Okay, now you're starting to put in an impulsive wave. You've broken this high at 117. So your next technical target, because you're breaking this high on the impulsive on the 15, you're putting a new impulsive wave, would be there at 122. Okay, where you again run into a low resistance, retrace and start to come back up like that. Okay, so it's looking really, really good. Really, really good for continuation is XRP, you know, and hopefully we can hold this support, break out, and the next couple of weeks here, you know, moving into the end of the month could be absolutely explosive for XRP. Start to come up again, resistance, hold as support, come up the stairs, meet your technical targets, okay, and absolutely explode would be amazing. It would be actually amazing if we get to this before December, because that would mean potentially we could actually go beyond that, and I'll show you why. Okay, because we've not had any explosive move here, really, have we? We've slowly gone up the stairs. But one thing I want to show you is that since last year, the March low, okay, let's not measure that low. Let's measure this low, this capitulation low here last December. So since last December, okay, XRP has gone up a whopping 500. Let me get that knob on. Okay, got to get that knob on from that wick low down there. Since that capitulation, we actually went on, topped out at 1,037%, so 10x. And then just here we went up around about 600%. Amazing. Okay, and people are moaning that XRP is a shit coin and it's not doing really well. It's slowly going up the stairs. Patience is key with XRP, remember that. Okay, so it's doing really well, but we've not got any of this time round. Okay, we've not got any of this because this is what you do want to see. This is more healthier, like I said to you so many times. This is healthy. this is healthy. You know, we want this blow off top at the end here, not to be greedy, but hopefully if it comes and breaks out and we get that upside, then yes, we could look at this being met. Absolutely minimal. That's my minimal target. Then these yellow lines getting met as well for XRP. Okay, so as a forex man, I have done this with you before, but let's say we do go through this impulsive break right now towards the end of the year right here for XRP, and we do actually come up and meet this 1618 target a little bit quicker than expected, you know, and we start to go a bit parabolic here and we're breaking out. You can see, look, we could actually start to melt in the next couple of weeks, and by the end of the month here we could be all the way up there. That's even quicker, isn't it? Let me get this right on. This is not in the right place. So let's make sure we've got the break there, from there to there. So we're starting to break out, coming into the back test of support. So something like that. If we go for an explosive break like we did in December, we could be there. We could be at that technical target in a few weeks, and we could be an explosive bull market end by the start of December. If we break out here, if we are breaking out and we're doing something like this, and it would start to go parabolic. For experiment again, you know, we could be up there, that $13 by 2nd December. You're going to have loads of people saying, CoinsKid says $13 2nd of December. I'm not saying that, honestly, because the proof of that we're not doing this at the moment is this, because we're slowly going up the stairs. It's just a thought experiment. If we do start to go a bit parabolic here and we come up, you can see where this level of resistance is bang on our fib target at 1618 at $4.50. Look at that level of resistance just there. Consolidate, think, oh shit, we're going to go to the bear, we're going to come down, the key level support, but we're in a parabolic mania stage of a bull run. This is where you could see that explosive end, and you could be looking at the $8 and the $14, and then the top out around about $16, $17, and who knows at that point, you know, where XRP could go, because at that point, don't forget, when you come up here on this impulsive break, you're breaking this all-time high here for XRP, and when you break all-time highs, it is usually an explosive event, you know. Granted, I think you run into it as resistance and then you'll melt through it, basically. So that's XRP, little thought experiment for you today. It's doing really, really well. You know, you're slowly going upstairs. You are breaking out. You're falling back to key levels of support. And like I said to you so many times, patience is key with XRP. Okay, take care. Back tomorrow with another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye-bye.